Nice Elf bar, you know, we're in England. Okay, here we are. We are in lovely Hastings. A rare treat indeed. They're behind me, look how nice that is. Lovely. Got a stand parked up here. That was a good shot, wasn't it? But it's 9 AM to 6 PM, 4 hours. So basically I'm going to stay here till, it's now 6 PM. I'm going to stay here until 9. See what's going on. I think Bess is a bit upset that she can't be doing, I don't know if you're going to be able to see. There's a dog over there playing fetch, and I think she's quite jealous. I can't zoom any more than that. Look at her. Look how jealous she is. It's 6 PM. I think it's time for me to cook some dinner. I'm getting a little bit peckish. I think Bess is too. Oh, God. Does anyone else do the mushroom balancing act? Where you try and get as many in your hands as you can, so you can turn the tap on with the other like that. Or is it just me? So I do it with eggs as well. Just see how many you can get in one hand. See, that's pretty good, I reckon. Look at that. Onion pouring off in there. Bit of red and white. Got to keep it, you know, diverse. Blimey. Let that do its thing for about 20 minutes or so. In the meantime, I think I'm going to just sit and admire the view, to be honest. This has calmed down a little bit now. Hey, she seems quite chill. She's just watching the view. Can't blame her, really, can you? Alright, it's time for the rest of the ingredients. Oh God, it's already filling up. Mushrooms turn into nothing anyway when you cook them, right? That's what I always find. You've got to do like 8 times the amount of mushroom that you think, because it just turns into nothing. It's a bit full. Lovely. Oh, Bess doesn't know what to do with herself, look. Hey? She's very lost, I think. I don't think she quite knows exactly how to react to this kind of situation. This is the first time being in the van, so I can't blame her. I was pretty scared too. But she'll soon get, you know, over it. I need to take her for a walk as well. I'm gonna do that after dinner. Take her on a little stroll, but can't do any big running or anything at the moment. Big running, don't know what that means. She's got a bit of a limpy leg, haven't you? Hey, you've got a limpy leg. That's no good, is it? Dinner is nearly ready. Look at the state of that. That is ridiculous. It's dinner time. No, this entire thing is not for now. I'm gonna have half of it tomorrow. I'm not Rick Waller. This looks stupid. I'm going to absolutely scram this. Oh god, nearly knock everything over as well. A bit slidey in here, a bit slidey. Alright, Bessie Boos and I are just getting settled. Look at her little face. And I'm going to make myself a mega tea, I think. Jesus, that was a bit much milk. I'm not very good at doing things one-handed, it turns out. Gonna have my mega tea and yeah, just enjoy the view for a bit while it's still not completely pitch black. Okay, hello team. I think I'm going to go and watch a little film now. We're all tucked up in bed. Here's little Bessie Boo. She is so cute, isn't she? Look at her. I've given her my hot water bottle because I think she was a little bit cold. So I think it's time to come on into the bedroom section. Oh, something went wrong. That's true enough. Okay, so here's the view from the bedroom. I don't know if I've even shown this yet, but here I am in the back. I've got some Game of Thrones on. Got my laptop there. That's just plugged into an inverter under the bed. I've got a speaker, which is about to die, but I'll just use the speakers on that. And then there's me, hello. I've got Peter to keep me company, bless him. I've got loads of cushions. I'm pretty happy back here. This will run pretty much indefinitely. And yeah, it's pretty nice. Okay, I'm gonna say goodnight, guys. I'm just gonna watch a bit of Game of Thrones and then head to bed skis. It's been a lovely evening. I've enjoyed it. I think Bess is starting to enjoy it. And yeah, I'll see you in the morrow. Hey. Just gonna have my coffee and then we're gonna head back, I think. Hey Bess? I think she's ready, aren't you? Nice. Hey, you. Good girl. Hey, Bess. Come on then.